The bamboo's still here, guys. Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. Remember to like and subscribe if you haven't already. Today we're going to talk about the dust data deletion. I have a Canon Rebel T3i. I've never done this. I've had it for years. Let's do it. So, I recently learned this is a thing. Cameras have sensors. I knew that. So, nice cameras usually say like sensor cleaning. And so, when it does that, it usually cleans off the sensor, right? And so there's always some stuff that ends up getting stuck to the sensor. And I didn't know that. This is my son Triton. He's behind the bamboo. Yeah, I didn't know stuff could still get stuck to the sensor. I mean, I guess I could have figured if I thought about it, but it's something I don't think about because it says sensor cleaning. And so, what you can do is you go into the menu 3, go to dust data deletion. Before you hit that button, go to the side of your camera, turn on manual focus. Then spin the lens to infinity, the largest it'll go, and then go back to that menu 3 option of dust data deletion, and then take a photo of an entirely white background with manual focus on, fully open, shutter. You just take a photo, and then the camera itself will do the work, where it'll save that data on part of your camera, not anywhere on your memory card. It'll save it to your camera, and it'll record where the dust particles are on your sensor. So it'll, in the computer of the camera, it'll delete those little parts that are stuck to your sensor, and it'll in turn make better photos because you won't have those little parts making it all foggy or distorting stuff. Yeah. So, I don't know. I thought it was super neat, and I hope that helps you guys because I've never done it. I've just found out it's a thing. As you can see, it's like, let's say it's like when you last did it. I've had this camera for quite a bit of years. I think like the year it came out, I had got the Canon Rebel T3i. I think all the other Canon cameras have it. If you don't have a Canon, there's probably a setting somewhere on your camera that does have a dust data deletion setting. So I hope this helps, and I hope it makes your photos better. And now they know that it's a thing. Hey, Gigi, stop. Alright, remember to like and subscribe. I post every Friday and Saturday about ecotourism, animals and conservation, easy self-care, sometimes techie videos, sometimes vlogs. And yeah. So remember to like and subscribe. Join the crew. I'm trying to teach myself how to treat myself better, and the world better, the planet better, everything better. I'm trying to learn and change how to do things. And so yeah, join the crew. See you guys next video. Bye!